So I wore my hair up in a bun, and I had like ringlets and my bangs down, and I had it in my thrift haul video and the vlog where I showed you guys me and Jimmy's anniversary date, and a lot of you guys really liked my hair in it and asked for a tutorial, so I'm going to try and recreate it. And I say try because that day I actually did the hairstyle. It was kind of an accident. I was trying to curl my hair following the tutorial that I watched by Desi Perkins, and I'll link that down below because it's really beautiful. But my hair just ended up like going like that, and it might be because my hair is too short for the kind of curls she was doing. So I just kind of whipped it up into a bun really fast and was happy with the way it looked. So that's how that happened. So hopefully I can kind of repeat the same thing that I did and it turned out the same. But anyways, I'm using this Hot Tools Professional iron, and I think this is in the 1/2 inch size. I'll link that down below too. So the first thing I'm going to do is just lift up a section of my hair, tying it up so that it'll be easier to just curl in sections. So basically I just curl each section, and for this, I guess since you're putting it in a bun, these curls don't really matter that much, but I just really liked the way my bun looked when all my hair was curled because it made my hair bun up. It made my hair look a lot more voluminous when I threw it up in a bun as opposed to like when I do it when my hair is straight. I don't know if that makes sense. I just take strands and just curl. And you don't have to be too precise with this part because most of these hairs are going to be going up into a ponytail anyway. Oh, this part of my hair is really hard for me to curl because you just can't see everything. Okay, I think that's as good as I'm gonna get it. Going to just take a new section. So I'm just repeating in sections of hair. Sorry if this is getting a little redundant. Oh, one thing is that, so for these hairs, like right here, whoops, right here, you can curl them, but make sure to curl them away from your face because those are the hairs that I like to pull out whenever I put my bun up. Everything else you can kind of just curl however you want, but the hairs that are going to be like framing your face, you want to make sure to be curling away from your face. Wow, this hair got really curly. I held that in for too long. This hot tool has a dial for temperature, and I have it on the highest one, which is probably not good, but I do that so I don't have to hold my hand like this for as long or hold the heat against my hair for as long. I'm a very impatient person. I don't like to wait. Sorry, I figured while I was curling my hair, I would just speed this section up and watch Full Metal Alchemist. But I'm starting to curl this part of my hair, and like I said, just remember to curl away from your face like this. Ta-da! Alright, so I've done this section of hair, and now I'm going to try and attempt to do this part. It's a lot of hair to get through. I'm gonna section it off one more time. Also, I forgot to mention, make sure to put in some kind of heat protectant before you do this. I think that's always a very important step whenever you're heat styling your hair. Alright, I'm moving on to this side now. Sorry if I look distracted. I'm rewatching Full Metal, like I said, and I'm on the episode, wait. I was about to say what episode and say what it was about, but if you haven't watched it, I don't want to spoil it for you, but I'm on a good episode, so I'm like really focused on it, but I'm moving on to this side now. We are almost done, so okay, almost done. Just doing this part now. Let's unclip this. Whoa. All right, guys, we are on the last section of hair. We are almost done. I hope you are still here watching. Alright guys, so once you kind of get to this point and it's like you only kind of have your bangs left and a little bit of the outer section, maybe just leave these alone for now, because you don't know which hairs you want to be pulling out once the bun is up, if that makes sense. So kind of just brush it out a little bit. See, this is what my hair looked like when I was done. And I was like, anyways, so then I just, oops. Sorry, I just pulled my earring out of my ear. Throw it up. So this part's a little hard for me because my hair is so short. But try and grab as much as you can, but don't worry if you can't get a lot, because that's why we have the bobby pins. So I take some hair on this side like this. Okay. These are the hairs that I said try and curl away from your face because these are gonna be kind of framing your face. And then these little bits of hair you can pin up or leave down. I might just pin up a little bit. I think it's kind of cute when they're left down. I really like that messy look, but I'm gonna curl this just a little bit. These ones, I feel like I threw them up with the bun, but I kind of want to see what it would look like this. Oh, that's cute too. I kind of like them down with the bangs. Okay, you can take your other hair tie and you can leave your hair like this if you want it like a curly ponytail. I think it still looks really cute, but I like to, or what I did was go like this. It also makes it like whenever you curl all your hair, because your hair is so thick in the ponytail, it makes it a lot easier to do this kind of like twist around bun. Okay, now that we have the bun up and everything, we can work on the bangs. They look a little long today, but it's okay. I'll show you guys how I trim my bangs one day. But I want to grow them out a little bit more so I can like properly show you how I trimmed my bangs the first time when they were like this long. But I probably won't let them grow out that long, maybe like a little more, and then I'll kind of show you what I did. Anyways, sorry I blabber so much, but I just take a little bit, cut in. This part is pretty self-explanatory. Oops. Alright guys, so I think I've curled them enough. They're kind of poking my eyes a little bit so I can tell that they're growing, but they're still at a pretty good length. Alright guys, so this is the messy curly hair bun look. I hope this was somewhat helpful. I don't think it looks exactly the same as the first time I did it, but I really like the way it turned out today too, so I hope that you guys liked it. But anyways, I'm going to get back to watching Full Metal Alchemist. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye! Boom!